Crude oil prices daily forecast, May 22nd, FXEmpire.com. The late sweet crude market pulled back slightly during the Monday session, and you can see for the second day we have bounced from the 95.50 area to form a hammerish type candle. Biggest problem, of course, is that the 97 level still looks rather resistive, and so does 98 for that matter, and you can even go up to 99 also. With that being the case, it's very difficult to be involved in this market at the moment. And we believe that more than likely, it'll just simply be a very choppy market back and forth. And as a result, it should be a short term trader's market more than anything else. Very difficult to analyze, but there will be scalping opportunities bouncing back and forth throughout the day. Probably not a whole lot more than that at the moment, though. Looking at the Brent market, you can see it's a little bit clearer picture in the sense that we managed to break down below the bottom of this hammer on Tuesday for the session. We're closing right around that range, so the easiest way to trade this, in our opinion, is to wait for a break below 103.50, the bottom of the range for Tuesday. And then at that point in time, you can consider shorting this market as it would signal that we are breaking down. 101 is more than likely where you'll find significant support below. That will ask a lot of questions of the uptrend that we've seen lately because not only is it an area that you would expect based upon the recent candles, but it's also you can also make a little bit of a trend line from the very bottom of the rally all the way up here. So a lot of things going on at 101, and 101 really should determine what happens next. If we get below 101, and 99 will more than likely be the next stop, and then that will be followed by 97.